Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're an adventure enthusiast or someone looking to downsize into a van life lifestyle, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most compact, versatile, and budget-friendly camper vans on the market, the Winnebago Solis Pocket. This van is perfect for weekend warriors, full-time van lifers, and those who love a good road trip. So, stick around as we take you on a full tour and review of the Solis Pocket. The Winnebago Solis Pocket is the smallest member of the Solis family, and it's built on the Ram ProMaster 1500 chassis. This means it's compact yet powerful, measuring just 17 feet 10 inches in length. It's designed to be an all-season, off-grid-ready camper that packs a punch without breaking the bank. Winnebago designed the Solis Pocket to be an entry-level camper van, making it a great choice for those new to van life or those wanting a weekend getaway rig. The starting price is around $130,000, making it one of the more affordable camper vans in its category. Now, let's talk about what makes the Solis Pocket stand out from the outside. Ram ProMaster chassis *** reliable, easy to service, and maneuverable for city driving. High roof design *** gives a comfortable standing height inside. Solar panel *** comes with a 170-watt solar panel for off-grid power. Side and rear doors ** fully open for ventilation and easy access to gear. Off-road capabilities *** even though it's front-wheel drive, it handles rough terrain pretty well. Unlike its bigger brother, the Solis 59PX, the Pocket doesn't have a pop-up roof, making it better for stealth camping. Alright, and see what the Solis Pocket has to offer. The first thing you'll notice is the flexible living space. The dinette is multifunctional. It transforms into a bed, workspace, or seating area for meals. You can comfortably seat up to 3 people here. The table swivels, which is great for maximizing space. For a compact van, the kitchen is surprisingly functional. You get a single-burner propane stove, a decent-sized sink with a high faucet, and a Domestic 12V.